Reproductive strategies. Salmonella. There are times when we eat something and our stomachs hurt badly. And then there are times when they really hurt badly. When it hurts dreadfully bad, it could be from food poisoning, which leads to fever, nausea, and diarrhea. Yuck. And that's a mild case of food poisoning. Some of the more life-threatening cases can send a person to the hospital. The interesting thing is, it's not poisoning at all, but the result of a sinister bacteria known as Salmonella. This one-celled, rod-shaped bacteria is fairly common and can be found naturally in raw eggs, raw meats, on the bodies of some reptiles, and in animal feces. It's when Salmonella finds itself in the warm growth chambers of our bodies that it hits pay dirt. When Salmonella was infected, when Salmonella from infected food reaches our small intestine, it divides rapidly, producing copies of itself through simple division. These bacteria continue to rapidly divide, increasing in number and infecting other cells. This causes our immune system to respond, but Salmonella does a good job of fending it off. It takes about 12 to 72 hours to feel the effects of a Salmonella invasion. Our bodies can fight off some Salmonella infections, but we generally need the help of antibiotics to overcome them. Thankfully, Salmonella is not one of those extreme bacteria that can survive the freezing temperatures of the Arctic or the boiling heat of volcanic thermal vents. Humans have adapted to Salmonella's existence by cooking, pasteurizing, and freezing our foods and drinks, which does a good job of killing the bacteria. Still, Salmonella infection is common enough and turns up where people aren't washing their hands or cooking meat thoroughly.